You got SPI from the large cap space that's on the radar. NBCC has been a fairly active. I'm just trying to look at the intraday move as far as NBCC is concerned. Just pull up NBCC for you as well, because, well, earnings on one hand, it's the FPO, that development there as well. Take a look at the stock actually saw quite a sharp knock, and it's recovered from almost a 6% knock to just a trade marginally flat now. 0.4% lower is what we're seeing on this counter. So that's what's happening as far as NBCC is concerned. On the profit front, it's actually above estimates, so the numbers are pretty strong as far as the stock is concerned. But it's the 10% FPO that's probably spooked it a little bit, where you saw that dip coming in, but post that it's actually recovered quite sharply, is what we're seeing as far as NBCC is concerned so far. So that's as far as that count is concerned. In fact, let's also bring in another voice, Devang Mehta of Anand Rathi Financial Services, joining in. Devang, afternoon. Thanks so much for taking the time out today. Just discussing some of these stocks that are moving in trade today. Before I get into NBCC, I want to get your thoughts on SBI. That's the large one that's had a little bit of a volatile move after the numbers. What do you make of this, Devang?
Afternoon, Priyank. I think overall we are feeling that market is showing good bit of strength, but specifically there are some stocks in which we are seeing a phenomenon on good news. There is selling which is witnessed, and I think particularly talking about SBI, the stock had run up from around 250 to 55 levels to around 300 before the numbers had come. So I don't see much into the numbers. In fact, they are decent set of numbers, almost beating consensus in terms of NPS, net NPS and gross NPS. So I think this is more of profit booking phenomenon and sell-on news rather than anything else. And regarding NBCC, I think probably again somewhere around the corner we feel there can be some profit booking if we are talking about FPO or so, because all the FPOs wouldn't garner the same response that some of the FPOs earlier garnered.
Been having, you can see that dip coming in, but so far the stock's been a little bit of a red, is what we're seeing as far as NBCC.